Hello Chippewa staff, it's Alicia Kepke here and I'm going to show you how to start the Gimkit live. When you click on the link, your screen should look like this. From here on the left side, you are going to click on play. It says to select a game mode. You will scroll down so it is the classic mode where students compete individually. The time I set here to 10 minutes. Starting cash, $100. So what's going to happen is every student will get $100 to start. They will be able to join in late. They get power-ups. They can change themes, whatnot. So there will be a shop after a student answers a question, and they can click on the shop to use their money to upgrade the amount of money that they earn for each question. They can also use their money to freeze whoever is in first place. Whoever's in first is going to have the most money. So Gimkit is kind of like a budgeting game as well. It's nice compared to quizzes because some people, when they're on quizzes, rush through the questions just to get it over with, whereas on Gimkit, they must complete the game for the amount of time given. Okay. From here, you'll hit continue at the top. And this is when you will want to screen share with the students. They will go to gimkit.com/live. You may want to post that link on your Google Classroom, and then you can give them this code as well. Screen share this and hit start game, and you will see the fun begin.